Hi everyone, I'm Yoshi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and for today's tips and tricks, we're going to spend some time talking about the ever-present issue of change management when adopting new software. The ancient Greek philosopher Heraclitus said, "The only constant in life is change." Well, we're going to spend 2 weeks unpacking and understanding what change management is and looking at 10 best practices on how to implement change effectively in your company. Now, for our first video in the series, we are going to take a closer look at what change management actually is and why it's so important to ensure a successful implementation. So many projects fail, and the major reason for this is because the company is not aligned on the adoption of new software. Overcoming organizational politics and resistance to change is a daunting challenge for any business implementing new software systems like Odoo. First, managers have to work hard at agreeing on the initiative and deciding what would be the best for the organization as a whole and not only for their particular area of expertise. After putting politics aside and everyone is on the same page, managers can start working on getting staff on board. Change is hard. Resistance to change is an ongoing problem at both the individual and the organizational level. Management and the product leadership team must find ways to work with this resistance, overcome it, and successfully carry out their new vision. The key to doing so is change management. But what is it? What is change management? It's the process by which an organization gets to its vision or future state. What makes it different from traditional approaches to planning is that while they delineate the steps on the journey, change management, by contrast, attempts to facilitate that journey. Change management is critical to any successful software implementation process. It's required to prepare all users for the introduction of the new system, to reduce resistance towards that system, and to influence user attitudes towards the system as well. Throughout this 6-part series, we are going to look at 10 tips that can help avoid an unsuccessful implementation and failed investments for your organization. Tune in next time for the next part of our change management series, where we're going to take a look at the first 2 tips on helping your business transition easier with adopting new technology. If you would like to learn more on how Odoo Business Analysts can help you navigate these sometimes challenging waters, please get in touch with us directly. As always, thank you for tuning in today, and remember to like and follow to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and Odoo it all!